Recently, I have switched to Linux, which means I can't use my favorite apps like Affinity. But wait, this is Affinity app on Linux. How? So I found this GitHub project and it has Affinity app for Linux in a app image file, which is like exe file but for Linux. And my experience with it was actually quite okay, but after using it for about 3 months, I think I need something better. So the other day I was trying the image tracing feature in Affinity, which turns your pixel image into vector, and Affinity was constantly failing. So I tried Inkscape, which is a free and open source vector graphics editor, and not only it has a better image tracing, but also there are a lot more better tools available in Inkscape. Inkscape is so better that I would say in some cases it's better than Adobe Illustrator. Now I would agree it's not the best looking UI you would ever see, but in terms of features and functionality, it's amazing. Now although it has better vector tools than Affinity, but there's still one thing missing. My favorite part of using Affinity is that I can switch between vector and raster graphics. Basically it's like having Photoshop and Illustrator in one app. But because Affinity is not that stable on Linux, so I rather use two separate programs. I already found Inkscape, and now for photo editing, don't worry, I'm not gonna choose GIMP. I chose Photopea. Photopea is a one-to-one clone of Photoshop that you can use it for free in your browser. And here's the fun part. From here, if you click install, it installs it as a native app, which means you can use it offline without any internet. Also, if you don't know, it has exactly the same shortcut as Photoshop. So using it was quite easy, and it is as powerful as Affinity, plus it's very fast, like it opens instantly. Next we have DaVinci Resolve, my favorite software. It has a Linux version, and I feel like the Linux version runs a lot better and faster than Windows. By the way, I have the Studio version. I don't think the free version runs as good as the Studio version. Then for audio, I use Audacity. I used to use DaVinci Resolve, but after a lot of testing, I noticed Audacity is much better for recording and pre-composing. Now all I need is a good 2D and 3D animation software. And for some reason, lot of people are suggesting me Blender. Guys, I want to make animations, not orange juice.